Our founding pastor was Dave Wilkerson, and he worked with the gangs in New York. He's famous for the cross and the switchblade. What's unique about our church is that we have over 100 nationalities. We have translators from over 6 countries.
Our mission is to see people born again and grow in their relationship with God, both locally in New York City and around the world globally through our online ministry as well.
Our church doors were closed for over 18 months. We had a lot of time to really assess the needs of the church, which were upgrading the lighting, the audio, and the video.
Times Square reached out to us early May of 2021 and asked us to come up and meet with them. We were on planes within a week. This was kind of their opportunity to update and bring the entire systems forward.
If you look around this room, it's a gorgeous room that's been brilliantly restored. So it was really important that the PA lived in that space. We really needed to fit the worship style of Times Square Church.
On a typical Sunday, we'll have a drum set, we'll have bass, organ, 2-3 keyboards, a full choir of sometimes 60 to 100 people, as well as maybe 10 singers on stage. We just really wanted better coverage of the room, so every seat would have an equal experience as they're sitting in the venue itself. Basically, what we feed into the system can be accurately represented.
From point of contact to opening Sunday was only a 4-month window. The date couldn't move. We couldn't make more room where there wasn't any, like we can in new construction. So we had to fit the PA where the old PA was. That was our only option. We knew we had to add subs.
Our strategy was long-term, getting the information we needed to make really great decisions within the scope of our own budget.
So we had a wide range of options for PA manufacturers to fit this design. We knew that L-Acoustics was the right fit.
So the PA here at Times Square Church is actually comprised of 12 K3i aside, 6 KS21i aside, 5 5XTs that have been beautifully mounted in the front of the stage.
There's actually concrete within inches behind the front of the stage. So we had one of our carpenters custom build some moldings from existing materials found at the church to match.
Additionally, we have a few X12s that are covering the choir and back, and some X12 stage monitors.
We utilized Sound Vision and the tools in Sound Vision to model the space, and we modeled a couple of different L-Acoustic solutions in the room. We needed the impact of a big box, but we couldn't have the size of a traditional large format PA. K3i came in, fit the bill perfectly, and left room for the subs to fly beside it.
So some of the tools in Sound Vision that really helped this job be exceptionally successful was auto splay, auto filter, and auto climate. So when utilizing these tools, auto splay gives us the ability to select the curvature of the PA to uniquely fit this room. Auto filter then allows us to compensate for distance and array curvature. It allows us, with the 2-box resolution that we have in the K3i system, to be able to really craft the HF plateau to make sure it's as flat as possible from the farthest seat in the back all the way to the first seat in the front. Auto climate allows us to uniquely be able to use that auto filter with the conditions that are in the room. So it takes into account both temperature and humidity.
PanFlex played a big part in the design in the top boxes of the array. It allowed us to really reach the top of the balcony without energizing the hard surfaces on the walls.
In this job, we actually used 70 degrees in the top boxes to really help us have that absolute throw to the back of the venue.
Welcome home, Times Square Church.
That first Sunday was an emotional experience for a lot of people. I think coming back into a space and back into a community of in-person, it was amazing. Hearing the system installed for the first time was breathtaking for everybody.
I think I literally cried because, you know, just even taking on a renovation in the middle of COVID was not easy. Dealing with L-Acoustics, they were able to finally get the sound right, that no matter where you are in the building, you're having a beautiful experience. And that was important to us.
The amount of energy that filled this room when those doors opened was palatable. The energy that came off that stage and watching that team come to life. PA performed flawlessly. It was such a privilege to get to be a part of Times Square Church and their reopening. It really was an honor.
Working with SES was a great experience because I was really able to lean on their expertise. I could come to them with my ideas and they would give me some feedback. We kind of compromise and get to what actually was the best solution for us.
I really want to thank SES for bringing us into this project. It was really fun working with Trey and Anthony and the entire team at SES to be able to have this outstanding outcome.
The space that we were working with wasn't an easy space. We wanted to do it really well, and we couldn't be happier with the results that came out of it. And honestly, thankful for the teams and companies that we worked with that came alongside us to just make us fulfill our vision here at the church. I can't thank them enough for what they've done, how they helped us, how they continue to help us on future projects.